Well, so this is our little spot for the night.
Our little RV campground.
Well, while one might think it looks like one, it's definitely not.
Because
it's actually a repair shop and an auto dealership.
yeah, it's all in one. And that's where we're sleeping tonight because we're finally gonna get the slide fixed.
We think.
But we didn't have a place to stay, so we asked the guy, we're like, hey dude, can we totally like boondock in your parking lot? Here's fingers crossed. Good night's rest. I'm here with my mom. This is a Midwest pastime. If you've never been to the Midwest, or Michigan specifically, we recommend just, dude, get out here in October, go pick some apples and make a day of it. So lover, why are we here?
We're in Michigan. We gotta go to an apple orchard. We gotta get some hot apple cider.
Yeah.
That's all I really came for. It's a hot apple cider. That's all I want. And some donuts.
There's serious work in apple picking, but she's here for the cider and donut.
I mean, I haven't been to an apple orchard since I was a kid. And Ian and Silas have never been to one, so.
Yeah, so it's a treat. This guy right here, he has never been to an apple orchard. Are you ready to get some work done and pick some apples?
Sure.
Sure, he says.
Get the B-roll.
Oh my gosh, get out of here.
Yeah, don't get the B-roll, Dad. Let's try one. Get the B-roll, Dad. B-roll.
Get out of here.
Cheers to family, friends, health, wealth, and blessings.
Yeah.
Cheers!
Lover, there's a raspberry bush.
It's a real raspberry, guys. Look at that.
Is it good? Have you had one?
Mm-hmm. It's really good.
You need help, Mom?
I was gonna try and get this one right here. Whoops. Ooh, where'd that one go?
Did you get it?
Yeah, but I dropped a good one, so that's a shame. Maybe it's this one right here. Yeah, I think so. But that doesn't look like it's been sitting there for a long time.
Let's see what you got. Oh, yeah.
These look pretty good.
Nice. Good picking, Mom.
Yeah, I'm gonna try one.
Isn't my mom just like the most adorable?
No apples.
There's no. You're in an apple orchard, Mom. You're full. There's nothing but apples here. Look at. She's telling me there's no apples. She's goofy.
So we're getting some donuts and hot cider and pure maple syrup, but not just any maple syrup.
Maple jar maple syrup. To our Canadian friends.
Oh, Canada.
We stand with Canada, man.
Hi guys, we miss you. Can't wait till we can see you again soon.
Absolutely. Fly the flag, man. We're just gonna give a shout out to our Canadian friends, eh?
Yeah. Understand a little bit more about why they wouldn't take my credit card by phone and why why they don't ship either. Because it's just a little mom and pop shop. But they got the part we need, hopefully.
Our slide's not fixed yet. What I've learned is that there's parts and pieces and things up here in this little opening, right, that you can see. And they're all the way back in there. They can't move the slide out to get to the top up here. And the mechanic can't quite fit up here. But I can. So I might be helping the shop today. This is something else. That's what this is. This is something else. I'm a little nervous. It's a big deal.
All right, so after a 2-hour drive and checking out the awesome shop here, I have the beloved part that is going to help our slide out again. This right here is the culprit. It's pretty heavy, but that's it. I'm hoping so. We have to find out once we take it to the repair shop and say, I think this will work. Who knows? I hope so. We'll see.
I can't quite fit my head up here, but hi. You know, there might be some guys that would sit here and call the RV mechanic an idiot or get mad at the shop, start cussing them out. Honestly, guys, these kind of repairs aren't for the faint of heart, and so here we are, figuring it out together. And this is just how it happens. You don't mistreat people. It's just one of those things when things have to get fixed, you just jump in and help. Yeah, he's a mechanic. Yeah, we're paying him. But you know what? We're figuring it out, and that's okay. Let's get back to work. Thumbs up. See, this is the scenario. That right there has to come out. But in order to take those out, you have to loosen these cables in these little bays while the slide is stuck in. I'm reaching my entire arm length. So like if you're trying to work with a tool, you're at a completely extended arm. It's not simple, guys. This project is not for the claustrophobic, because there's literally, look at, only this much room in between the wall and the ceiling, like 5 inches probably. This is a serious project. There is no way I could have done this project. Like I said before in the brakes video where I was fixing and repairing my master brake cylinder and stuff, stay within your limits. You know, I recommend only work within your skill set limit. These are the horror stories that you hear in RVing when guys take on projects or gals take on projects that are way beyond their pay grade. So if it wasn't for Mitch here at LA Auto, it would never get done. It just wouldn't get done by me. Hopefully we can get it finished before Mitch goes home at 3. Otherwise I'm sleeping in this garage. And I don't think he wants me here either.
Not gonna lie, it's kind of scary. Hopefully we get it.
Lover, what are you doing while we're working?
Watching Gypsy the camper.
Gypsy the camper?
Yeah. She's like redoing a cute little camper here. And there's a Bill Murray sticker, so I mean, that's fun.
Yeah.
But anyways, I'm just doing nothing but scrolling because I don't know what to do.
I love it.
So.
Okay, well I'm gonna go back and work. Mitch, what do you think?
I'm praying. Fingers are crossed, arms are crossed, toes are crossed.
Who's gonna push the button? Are you gonna?
Well, it's right behind you, so.
Yeah, here, Lover, you grab the camera. We're all hoping and praying and believing. Front slide out. Holy bucket!
It's working.
We did it! Oh my goodness. Yes. That's how we do it around here. We're not scared.
We did it, but it's more if they did it. I didn't do anything.
This right here caused so much trouble. It's a troublemaker.
It's like we just bought a whole new place.
Yeah.
We haven't been able to like do this since like July.
Yeah. It is seriously like we just bought a brand new RV. This is thrilling. And it's all balanced nice. Like, dude, Mitch did a banger job, man. He did it. We did it together. I mean, dude, we worked together. But it was absolutely a two-man job. There's no way this was a one-man job.
Oh, look at more command strips that didn't work.
Yeah, so, and in case you didn't see our other video on the 5 things we learned in our first 30 days, there's more command strips inside of here that failed. You want to know what it was holding? These amazing Hootie Group mugs that we got from our good friend, the Hootie Group. I think majority in life, it's all about your attitude and your approach. A lot of shops would be like, get out of here. But I was like, hey man, I can help. Thank God that I have a little bit of mechanical inclination.
And that they were cool enough to let you.
Oh, absolutely. Mitch and Goldie, I didn't treat these guys like they were idiots. This is a tough project. He admitted, I've never seen one of these before, where the gearbox is all the way up in the center and the slide was all the way in. So you literally have, just a gap this big to work in. How can you possibly be upset at somebody for something like that? The answer is you can't. You go and figure it out yourself and you team it up. Here's the man of the hour, Mitch. Dude, buddy. Thanks for all your hard work, my man.
Do you mind being on YouTube? Okay.
Yeah. Dude, this guy right here, man, LA Auto, Lapeer, Michigan. If you need something done with your rig, you should come check this little place out.
Thanks a bunch.
Absolutely.
We have a...
We're choosing to stick around here in Michigan for at least a couple of weeks to see some of the fall colors, enjoy an apple orchard. It's times like this and hanging out with family and enjoying just a great day is kind of worth it. This is nostalgic, man. These are my people. This is my tribe, man. Gosh, it's good just to be in an open field.
Okay, we're starting out on the family-friendly maze. We're at the first easiest maze right here. It's only supposed to take us 20 minutes. So let's see how long it takes. Womp, womp, womp! It's Corn Wars! Corn Wars! Oh, that came and chucked at me. Which way do we go? Left or right?
Let's go this way. Let's just follow.
Sigh. This way? Wait, but what was that way? Should we go that way? Silas, where are you? Silas! Silas! Okay, guys, this is for real.
We're about to die.
We are about to go into the
Monsters in there?
mega monster maze.
Yeah, we gotta find monsters instead of chickens.
I'm gonna get
This time, it's for real, okay? Are we ready? Ready for the monster maze? All right, let's go. You better not run off. We're entering the mega maze. Okay, hang on. Use the map?
If we get lost, we're using the map.
Right. What's our executive decision?
No map.
I don't give a crap. All right. No map.
I don't care.
It's raining. Oh my gosh. We're done for.
Wait, where are we going?
We're going this way.
Okay. Oh, we got our first clue.
I think you should get that checked out.
It's Silas's
No,
turn.
choose.
To
That
decide.
way or that way?
That way.
People,
That way.
people or no people?
This way.
People it is.
No people.
Okay, we're going this way, guys. Let's go this way. Yeah. Ooh.
Oh my gosh. Did the chorus not too?